Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rob. I just wanted to say hi to everybody, see how everybody's weekend was. It's Wednesday night, Survivor night, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm working on today. When I left you last, I was scraping the ceilings. I finished that last week in the beginning part of this week, and now I'm letting the ceilings dry, getting ready for paint. I want them to be super dry with no moisture at all before I put any primer on. So today is a pretty nice day, and I'm focusing on working outside a little bit. I don't know if you can see over here on the grounds, on the walkway, it's really dirty and it needs to be refreshed. And then over here on the bricks as well, you can see it looks like there's, some dirt and mold and stuff that's kind of grown from over the years. So today I'm going to show you guys how to clean that up, and it's really actually pretty easy. There's a machine. It looks a little bit intimidating, but I promise you it's not. It's called a pressure washer, and I'm going to turn over here so you can see. This is the one I have. It's a rigid 300 psi pressure washer. Can you guys see it? And it runs pretty much almost like a lawnmower. I mean, there's an on-off with a pull start, and then there's a wand which operates like a gun, where you just hook it up to your hose, and then it runs like almost like a compressor, and it creates pressure, and you just spray the area right up close to where you want, and it will become clean. So I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna be a little bit loud, but I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is. Pretty much, you have an inlet with a hose, and that goes to your water spigot outside. And then it has a hose that attaches to the wand, and that's it. There's an on-off button. You turn it on, and then there's a choke. You turn the choke on, and then it's a pull start, just like your lawnmower. So you pull it up, and then pull your choke over. It will build pressure, and then it's as easy as holding the wand onto the area and moving it back and forth. You need the correct tip size, which in this case is a 15 degree, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna hold the camera with one hand, and I'm gonna do it with the other hand so you can see how easy it is, okay? Just like that. That's how easy it is. It becomes almost like brand new. Just like that. And it works on the brick as well. You don't want to get in so close that you're going to rip the mortar out of the brick. So keep it about a foot away. Literally one hand. I did that with one hand. So it's easy. Anybody can do it. This is a good weekend project. Let me turn this off. Sorry, I'm screaming over myself here. It's a good weekend project you can do to clean up your walkway, your driveway, around the house. If you have a brick house, your windows, just make sure that you wear appropriate footwear. You don't want to do this with flip-flops on or anything like that, because you could put a hole in your foot if you move too close, move the wand over your foot. So you don't want that to happen. And if you don't own one of these, you can rent them. They have them at Home Depot, Lowe's, any supply store, True Value. You can rent one for the day. It's an easy project, and I'll send you guys some pictures so you can see what it looks like when it's all clean up. I'll take some before pictures now, and then some after pictures. So Survivor is on tonight. Check that out. And what else? Oh, you guys are asking about the t-shirts, the Mariano Design and Construction t-shirts. I have those available. They're on my website. That's bostonrob.com, and I will put the swipe up feature so you can go directly to it on the Instagram page. And I have them in all different sizes and colors for kids, everything. So if you guys really want a Mariano Design and Construction t-shirt, head over there and pick one up. I'll be quitting early tonight and watching Survivor with my family. So send me your questions after the episode like you always do, and I'll check them out and provide some feedback. Awesome. So thanks, guys. Everybody, please continue to be safe, practice social distancing, and remember, we're all in this together. One day at a time, we're going to get through it. Take care.